Hi guys, welcome to Yummy Made Healthy by PJ. This channel is all about healthy and yummy version of everything you crave for. Now you can enjoy yummy food without having to worry about calories. Yes, you heard me right, and I know that sounds great. That is why I am here. So today's recipe is going to be pancakes. Yes, healthy pancakes. I'm going to be making peanut butter banana pancakes today, and I am like my mouth started watering from now itself. So I think without wasting any further time, let's get cooking. This is everything I'll require to make my peanut butter banana pancake. So firstly, you will require normal oats. These are not rolled oats, these are normal oats. Vanilla essence, honey. You can also use jaggery instead of honey, or also maple syrup, stevia, any sweetener you prefer. Cashew, just a few, and flax seeds, milk, peanut butter, and banana. So first, what we'll do is we'll make a paste of our oats. So we'll transfer this into a processor. We'll add nothing into it, just oats, thin coarse powder. So oats powder is now ready. Nice smooth powder. So now what I'll do is I'll take this banana into this bowl and crush it nicely using this fork like this, and nicely crush it. You can also grind the banana with the oats, but then the consistency won't be proper, so I'm doing it this way because I've tried it that way and pancakes didn't really turn out the way they were supposed to turn out. So then I tried this method, of crushing bananas first and grinding oats separately. So then they turned out really good. So my bananas are almost crushed and ready. I have this banana for decoration, and now I'll add in the powdered oats. I'll also add in honey according to taste. I think that will be enough because banana has its own sweetness too. I'll now add in just a little bit of vanilla essence, just this much. I think it will be more than enough. And now I'll mix it. I'll add in milk. Mix it again. It should not be runny, it should be thick. A little bit more of milk and mix it again. So yeah, I think this is the perfect consistency. Not really thick, not really runny, it's in between. So let's now make our pancakes. So I'll just take one spout of the batter and pour it on the pan and spread it in a pancake shape. I'll let it be a little thick and let it heat now. So I think this is now ready. Yeah, it is ready. Let's take it out in a plate. I'll apply peanut butter on one side of the pancake, just like we apply on a slice of bread. and I'll repeat it with every pancake. So another pancake is ready. I'll take it out, flip it over, and again apply peanut butter on this side of the pancake. So my pancakes are ready and I have applied peanut butter onto all the pancakes. Now what I'll do is I'll place the bananas on top of the pancake and I'll sprinkle some flax seeds on top of banana. You can add in any dry fruits you like. I'm just adding flax seeds, cashew in nuts. You can add in anything you want. And finally drizzle honey on top. And there you have it, yummy pancakes. Now let's do the test of it. Let's quickly do the test of our pancake. It just has a perfect amount of sweetness into it. Oh my god, this is so good. You can also add a lot of fruits. It will enhance the taste even more. And yeah, this is a complete thumbs up. It is healthy, yummy, sweet. What else you want, right? So I'll be making a lot of pancake recipes in coming time. So yeah, this was a thumbs up, and I hope you foodies enjoyed this recipe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next video, eat healthy, stay healthy. I'll see you guys in the next video.